How to move personal Facebook ad account into Business Manager. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to move personal Facebook ad account into Business Manager. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first open your browsers on your PC and search for business.facebook.com/settings, and then it's going to open this menu for you. Now in this menu you have to choose this option over here that says your profile name, and then choose your personal ad account. Once you choose this option, it's going to bring you to this interface over here. Now you simply have to copy this option over here that says act is equal to your username. Just copy this over here, and then once you copy this, go back to the business settings. In the business settings, you have to wait for it to load. And now in this menu, under the accounts section, choose add accounts and then click add. And here choose request access to an ad account. And then it's going to ask you to type your ad account ID that you just copied. So here you have to type your ad account ID that you just copied and then give access by clicking these options over here and click confirm. So that's the process that you can follow to move personal Facebook ad account into Business Manager. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.